This code is designed to generate access tokens using the Kite Connect API for trading accounts. Here's a detailed step-by-step explanation of the code. #1. Importing libraries. Pandas, used to read data from the CSV file containing account details. OS, used for file and folder operations. Selenium, used to automate browser actions such as login and data extraction. Time introduces delays, allowing the browser to load content. To interact with Zerodha's Kite API. One-time pass OTP, used to generate a time-based one-time password TOTP for two-factor authentication. 2. Generating TOTP tokens. Python def get TOTP token secret key. Generate TOTP token using a secret key. Return OTP.get secret key. This function generates a TOTP, time-based one-time password, using a given secret key. This password is needed for logging into the account. 3. Initializing WebDriver. Python def get driver, initialize and return a Chrome WebDriver. Driver equals WebDriver.Chrome, driver.maximize window, return driver. This function initializes the Chrome WebDriver, which is used to automate browser actions such as filling forms and submitting data. 4. Generating access tokens. Function Python def generate access token row, output folder, inputs, rows, contains account details like username, password, API keys, and 2FA secret. Output folder, the folder where the access token will be saved. 5. Open Zerodha login page. The login page URL is constructed using the API key. Python URL equals fh to type kite.trade/connect login API key. The WebDriver launches the browser and navigates to the login page. 6. Fill username and password. The username and password fields are located using CSS selectors, and their respective values are entered. Python username form driver.findElement by.css selector, uppercase.uinput group input, username form.sendKeys username, password form is driver.findElement by CSS selector, input password form.sendKeys password. The login button is then clicked to proceed. #7. Enter TOTP token for 2FA. TOTP token is generated using the secret key. Python TOTP token 2FA secret. The generated token is entered into the input field. 8. Extract request token. After login, the browser URL contains the request token, which is extracted as follows. Python request token URLs driver.current URL. Request token is request token URL.split request token. 9. Generate access token with Kite API. The request token and API secret are used to generate a session and retrieve the access token. Python user equals kite.generate session, request token, API secret equals API secret. 10. Save access token to a file. The access token is written to a text file in the specified output folder. Python file path equals os.path join output folder f username txt with open file path w as file handler.write user access token. Handle errors and close browser. Any errors during the process are caught and logged. The browser is closed in all cases to prevent resource leaks. Python finally driver.quit. 12. Main program execution. Python if name equal main. Steps. 1. Define input paths. The path to the CSV file with account details and the folder to save tokens are specified. Python CSV path equals C account CSV output folder equals C user tokens. 2. Create output folder. The output folder is created if it doesn't already exist. Python os.makeDirs output folder exist. 3. Read accounts from CSV. The accounts file is read into a pandas data frame. Python accounts equals pd.read CSV path. 4. Generate access tokens for each account. A loop iterates over each account, generating and saving the access token. Python for core row in accounts.iteros generate access token row output folder. Final output. For each user account, an access token is generated and saved as a text file in the specified output folder. Important notes. 1. The script automates browser actions, so the WebDriver configuration must match the installed Chrome browser version. Internet connectivity and accurate account details are necessary for successful execution. 3. Proper exception handling ensures errors are logged without halting the entire process.